Hey traders, good day. In this video I'm going to show you a couple really good moves, really easy plays. Here's all the trades I did today. Ended the day losing, learning, but hindsight 2020, even my strategy, I wasn't able to hold on to my strategy because I chickened out. But if I would have held on to them, buy here, sell at the top. So I did buy here and I sold, but I got out too early. And then the second time, the strategy's here, bought down here, was supposed to sell up here, but because my position size was too big, I chickened out and I just got out. I got out. Even when I noticed that the price was going up, I still chickened out. So just wanted to show you guys what that looks like on the TradingView indicators. So basically, we'll start out with this. This is the plain chart, right? And then you got your ATR signals. Just gives you these lines here. I use these all the time. They work so good. Oh my gosh. So 7:30, get these two blue horizontal ATRs, and you basically just wait for price to drop into that. So 11:30 New York time drops into that, and then you just wait for it to show some support. Simple as that, guys. Your target's going to be the swing high, or else your target's going to be a moving average. Here's the 238, this yellow line. But that was like a perfect trade. Perfect trade. So I got out here and I got out here a couple times. So that was actually okay. And here's the second buy zone for the strategy. ATR candle here, drops you a line there. Here's the midpoint of that candle, this line here. And yeah, you got a nice big green candle, got a couple more green candles, you got a VIX spike here. That's what is labeled here, and then price just kind of keeps on slowly creeping up. But it's tricky. The fear gets you because after a big drop like this, like in your mind you're thinking like, oh, how could price even keep on going up? Like I just got totally scared out of the trades. But if I would have just held on to it and aimed for that high, just like my strategy is, then it would have been a great winner. But I just couldn't do it. So anyhow, hope this helps you guys. I also had my ATR set too low, so it didn't show some of those lines, so there was a mistake there. But yeah, my trading time I got down pat now. It's 8:30 till 1 p.m., which is 11:30 a.m. till 4 p.m. New York time. That's pretty much when London closes, and it always seems like the market's just a little bit more smooth after that. It's not as choppy, so. But yeah, I lost 126 bucks on the trading account there today, which is a pretty massive hit. But yeah, that's just prop firm trial, so you know. And here's the 4-hour chart. Doing a big bull run. We're aiming for this top here. Probably see that in the next few days. Almost reached that ATR support there, that red line. So yeah, I took some other trades that were out of strategy, and I took too many. That was another of my shortcomings for the day. So yeah, 5 wins, 13 losses, 18 trades altogether. I was only supposed to take a maximum position size of $20, and I took one for 42, another for 25. So made a few mistakes there as well. So the emotions are still getting to me for trading. The fear, the greed. Yeah. As much as I'm trying to manage that, it's definitely reflecting in my trades for sure. So I'm definitely gonna have to work on that. So it only would have been like around $100 loss day if I did that correctly. Okay, I just wrote down all of the problems from today and I put it onto my Wednesday for tomorrow's trading day. So max $20 size, only trade the one strategy. TP1 is the moving average, TP2 is the swing high, TP3 is the 75% extension past the initial move. I'm going to mark on paper my trades just so that I don't overtrade. I'm going to double check my indicators. And another thing, I'm going to put my stop loss at the swing low instead of trying to get more profit, being greedy, and putting it tighter. So yeah, I'm going to do that. But yeah, the market knew that it was a bullish day, and it just did pullback, and then it ran up. So pretty easy trading day, really. But it was a disaster for me, besides the amazing lessons. So for Wednesday, I'm not sure what's going to happen. We didn't reach this resistance point ATR support. So maybe in Tokyo, Sydney session, it'll hit that, and then we'll have a pullback onto some of these tops maybe. Or a larger pullback when New York comes, or London maybe, back into this zone here, because this hasn't been hit yet. So, and then there's also this too, which is sticking out like a sore thumb. So that zone could get hit too maybe. Kind of at the top of this angle here. So yeah, maybe it does want to come down and touch here before it runs back up for Wednesday, the 11th. Happy trading, guys. Be well.